Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro I, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So first you should, as can you see, the Google Discover is activated in my case, and just to turn it off you should hold for a while your device screen, click here to the home settings, and just to turn off Google Discover you should turn off the switcher near the Show Google app. And now when we'll swipe with our finger to the right side, you can see that we can't activate the Google Discover here. And if you want to turn on the Google Fit again, click once again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.